Hi guys, today we are going to explain about Hetadage. This beautiful and amazing place inside the Polonnaruwa kingdom.
Traditional cultural Asian country. A country with amazing heritage. A beautiful sea area. This country is an iconic of world tourists. Visit Sri Lanka.
Travel to Sri Lanka.
Hetadage borrows its evocative names from its very construction design. Heta means 60 and it may have contained 60 relics and images of Buddha. The other explanation for its name is that it was built in 60 days, slightly less likely considering the time it takes for one to do stony masonry. The building belonged to the Polonnaruwa kingdom and it's rather well known among the multitude of other historical places in Sri Lanka. However, the exact builder of the place is unknown and it might be either the great Parakramabahu or even Nissankamalla. The Hetadage has 2 floors. Much of the building must have been made of wood during its time as a complete work in the 11th century, but all that remains is the stonework and some parts which still preserve the original bricks. It is thought that the relics would have been placed in the topmost floor. The lower floor is entirely made of stone, while the roof might certainly have been wood and tile. There are some examples of the finer art of the time, including a beautiful moonstone and 2 Naga guardian stones standing erect at the entrance. In the inner chamber of the building are 3 standing Buddha images, all brutally damaged. There were once 16 stone pillars in this section of the structure, but now only 3 half destroyed ones remain. This is story of Hetadage.